SMCI stock analysis and price predictions for Friday. Let's end the week strong. Is it a buy or not? I'm breaking this down in this quick 1-minute video. Now, here's the biggest factor here. I am looking to take it up and buy more, but the key part here is that I'm not going to randomly do so. Like, having done a lot of, I got 7 trades in this freaking pump. 2 losses, 4 wins and a break even, and 4 wins. Key part about SMCI is that I'm looking to buy more. You know, I don't think this is enough. Like, not that it's not enough, it just corrected down quite hard in exactly a beautiful demand zone, and the only thing that will matter to me is a double break, and then I'm ready to take it up and buy more. You know, I've also gotten like a lot of receipts with SMCI, a lot. I'm talking about 111 receipts, like numerology stuff, right? It's all on my YouTube channel. But like I also told you, you have to be patient. This is a swing that probably next week. Like, I don't genuinely believe Friday is going to do much, but yeah, I'll just keep an eye on this. At least even if he gives me the first break would be freaking nice, but I'm not just going to assume stuff. And therefore, if you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights, then just click the first link in the description and I will continue to keep you updated. Goodbye, Ninja.